A single court ruling just shielded over 500,000 immigrants from deportation, and it's come from an Indian American judge standing up to a Trump era policy. Here is what happened. Indian American US District Judge Indira Talwani has temporarily blocked a major Trump administration move that sought to strip legal protections from more than 5 lakh immigrants. These individuals, mainly from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela, entered the US under a humanitarian parole program introduced by President Joe Biden in 2022. The program allowed up to 30,000 people per month from these countries to live and work in the US for 2 years. On March 25, the Department of Homeland Security announced it would end this program. Deportation would begin on April 24th. But Judge Talwani's ruling puts that on hold. She said the government failed to offer a reasoned decision and questioned why people who had cleared background checks, paid for their own travel, and secured sponsors were being treated like they had entered illegally. Her ruling gives the court more time to review the Biden administration's legal justification for the parole program. In her 41-page decision, Judge Talwani wrote that the Trump administration had acted based on a flawed interpretation of immigration law. She clarified that the expedited removal applies to those who enter the US illegally, not to individuals who arrive under government-authorized parole. Now, the ruling affects around 532,000 migrants from the 4 Latin American countries, many of whom had feared losing their status in the US by April 24th. Immigration advocacy groups hailed the decision. Carmen Tumlin, director of the Justice Action Center, said, and I quote, "This ruling is a significant step toward justice for not only the hundreds of thousands of people who entered the US through this important process, but for the American sponsors who welcomed them to their homes and communities. With this decision, so many people throughout the country will be able to breathe a huge sigh of relief." Now, Judge Talwani is a federal judge in Boston. She was nominated by former President Barack Obama in 2013. According to reports, she is the daughter of immigrants from India and Germany. She graduated from Harvard University and later earned her Juris Doctor from UC Berkeley's Boalt Hall School of Law. During law school, she served as articles editor for the Industrial Relations Law Journal and was selected for the Order of the Coif. She began her legal career clerking for US District Judge Stanley Weigel in California, then moved into private practice in San Francisco, focusing on labor and employment litigation. In 1999, she joined a Boston law firm representing workers in class actions and employment disputes. Talwani has also served as senior editor of the American Bar Association's Family and Medical Leave Act, treaties, and regularly lectures on employment and labor law. Donald Trump, who returned to office in January, had promised to deport millions of undocumented immigrants during his campaign. The effort to end the parole program was a key part of that pledge. The administration argued that federal support shouldn't come without compliance to civil rights laws and accused elite universities and immigration policies of having a troubling entitlement mindset. But for now, the court has pressed pause. Thanks to Judge Talwani's ruling, over 500,000 people remain safe for now. For more such stories, keep watching the Indian Express.